We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the rainbow metal fidget spring toy for adults by Grotrophy. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The rainbow metal fidget spring toy is marketed as a unique stainless steel stress relief gadget designed for adults and teens. Its primary function is to provide a satisfying tactile experience for those who fidget, experience anxiety, or simply want something to occupy their hands during work or study. The toy is sized at approximately 2 by 2 by 3.8 inches and weighs about 4.9 ounces, making it a substantial object for desktop use, but not quite pocket-sized for everyday carry. The construction from stainless steel is intended to offer durability and a premium feel, while the rainbow finish adds a visually appealing element that stands out among more traditional fidget toys. Users consistently highlight the toy's silent operation as one of its strongest features. Unlike clicking pens or other noisy fidget tools, this spring can be pressed, squeezed, and manipulated without producing distracting sounds, making it ideal for office environments or shared workspaces. Many reviewers note that the lack of noise is particularly appreciated by colleagues, allowing for discreet stress relief without drawing unwanted attention. This aligns with broader trends in adult fidget toys, where discreetness and subtlety are highly valued, especially in professional settings. Another commonly praised aspect is the tactile satisfaction the spring provides. The resistance of the stainless steel coil offers a pleasing amount of feedback, whether pressed lightly or squeezed with force. Some users compare the sensation to pressing a pen cap repeatedly, but with the added benefit of silence and a more substantial feel. The spring's resilience means it can withstand significant pressure without deforming or breaking, which is a concern with lower quality plastic alternatives. This durability is echoed in reviews of similar metal spring toys where longevity and resistance to tangling are frequently cited as advantages over their plastic counterparts. Users appreciate that the metal construction avoids the frustrating tangling issues that can plague plastic versions, ensuring the toy remains functional and enjoyable over time. In terms of stress relief, many users report that the repetitive motion of compressing and releasing the spring has a calming effect, helping to reduce anxiety and promote focus during periods of high stress. The toy is also noted for encouraging blood circulation in the hands, which can be beneficial for individuals who spend long hours at a desk or experience tension in their hands and fingers. The combination of sensory and tactile stimulation appears to be effective for a wide range of users, from those with ADHD to anyone seeking a simple way to channel nervous energy. The aesthetic appeal of the rainbow finish receives mixed feedback. Some users love the vibrant, eye-catching colors, finding that the visual element adds to the overall enjoyment of the toy. Others prefer a more understated look for professional environments and feel that the rainbow effect, while fun, may not suit all tastes. However, the finish does not appear to affect the toy's performance or durability, and for many, it is a welcome departure from the plain metallic appearance of standard desk toys. When it comes to portability, opinions are divided. The toy's size and weight make it a solid presence on a desk, but several users note that it is too large to fit comfortably in a pocket. This limits its use as a truly portable fidget tool, especially compared to smaller items like stress balls or fidget cubes. For those who primarily want a desk-based gadget, this is not a significant drawback, but anyone seeking a pocket-sized companion may find the rainbow metal fidget spring toy less convenient. Some reviewers suggest that the toy is best suited for stationary use, such as on an office desk, nightstand, or study area, rather than for on-the-go fidgeting. Gift-giving potential is another area where the toy receives positive feedback. Its sturdy construction, unique appearance, and satisfying tactile experience make it a thoughtful gift for teenagers, adults, or anyone dealing with stress or anxiety. The toy is frequently mentioned as a suitable present for occasions like birthdays, holidays, or as a small gesture for colleagues or friends. The packaging and overall presentation are described as simple yet appealing, reinforcing its suitability as a gift item. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few areas where users express reservations. The primary concern is the toy's size, which, while beneficial for durability and tactile satisfaction, detracts from its portability. A few users also mention that the novelty of the spring may wear off over time, especially for those who prefer more interactive or multifunctional fidget gadgets. Compared to products like fidget cubes, which offer multiple modes of engagement, the spring's single-function design may feel limiting to some. However, for those who value simplicity and reliability, this is seen as a strength rather than a weakness. Quality is a recurring theme in user reviews. The stainless steel material is praised for its heft and smooth finish, with no sharp edges or manufacturing defects reported. The toy maintains its shape even after prolonged use, and the spring action remains consistent without loosening or becoming misshapen. This level of durability distinguishes it from cheaper alternatives and contributes to its reputation as a premium desk accessory. Users who have previously owned plastic or lower quality metal springs note a clear improvement in both feel and longevity with the Grottrify version. In terms of value for money, opinions are generally favorable. While the rainbow metal fidget spring toy is priced higher than basic plastic fidget toys, users feel that the quality, durability, and unique design justify the cost. The toy's ability to withstand heavy use without showing signs of wear is particularly appreciated by those who have experienced rapid deterioration with other fidget items. For individuals who spend significant time at a desk or in meetings, the investment in a reliable, satisfying stress relief tool is seen as worthwhile. Comparisons to other popular fidget toys reveal both strengths and limitations. The rainbow metal fidget spring toy excels in durability, tactile satisfaction, and silent operation, making it a top choice for office environments. However, it lacks the variety of engagement offered by multifunctional toys like fidget cubes or magnetic rings. Users who prefer a single robust fidget tool tend to rate the spring highly, while those seeking more versatility may opt for other options. The toy's visual appeal is subjective, with some users loving the rainbow finish and others preferring a more subdued look. Customer service and delivery experiences are generally positive, with prompt shipping and secure packaging reported by most buyers. The manufacturer's recommended age of 14 and up is appropriate, given the toy's weight and potential for misuse by younger children. The product's best sellers rank in the fidget block and executive desk toy categories reflects its popularity among adult users seeking stress relief and focus aids. In summary, the rainbow metal fidget spring toy by Grottrify stands out as a high-quality, durable, and visually appealing stress relief gadget for adults and teens. Its silent operation, satisfying tactile feedback, and robust construction make it an excellent choice for office desks, study areas, or as a thoughtful gift. While its size limits portability and its single-function design may not suit everyone, the overall user experience is overwhelmingly positive. If you are looking for a reliable, discreet, and aesthetically pleasing fidget tool to help manage stress and improve focus, this product is highly recommended. Don't forget to check the product link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And please leave your own review in the comments if you have used this item to help others in the community.